Want to know the secret to achieving perfectly crispy chicken skin while keeping the meat tender and juicy? This one-pan recipe will have you cooking like a pro in no time. Start by deboning the breast, leg, and thigh from your chicken. Make sure no bones are left behind and that the half chicken remains intact. Season the skin side with only salt and season the other side with salt and pepper. Heat the skillet on medium heat and add a high heat oil. Place the chicken skin side down in the skillet and cook for 12 to 15 minutes or until the skin is golden and crispy. Transfer the skillet to a preheated 450-degree oven. Let the chicken roast for 12 to 14 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the chicken is done, move the skillet back onto the stovetop over medium heat. Add butter, whole garlic cloves, fresh thyme, and rosemary. Baste the chicken for 1 to 2 minutes on both sides, then set it aside to rest. Keep the same pan on medium-low heat and pour in chicken stock to deglaze, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. Add Worcestershire sauce, then mix a slurry with stock and flour and whisk it into the pan. Season the sauce with salt and pepper to taste. Once thickened, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice, stir, and turn off the heat. Slice the rested chicken and plate it up. Drizzle that rich, flavorful pan sauce over the top and enjoy your crispy pan-roasted half chicken.